I'm Marty Martin with ABW Equipment. We're here on site in Little Rock, Arkansas, talking to Paul and Justin with Splash Car Wash about how they used existing businesses and big box conversions to differentiate themselves into some of the highest performing flex sites in the market.
We started out primarily as a distributor. We had a couple of self-serve washes, but then we started selling equipment, building upscale self-serves and automatics, which is what was popular at that time. And then as the industry grew and changed, we did too. We wound up developing our own franchise of express car washes, Boomerang. We sold that, and I decided that I really wanted to be a true operator. And I wanted to learn how to be a best-in-class operator. So I traveled a lot, went to Europe. I actually went to Amsterdam to the trade show in 2015, and I saw for the first time on the car wash tour the belt, the wash belt. And I just thought that was such a more pleasant experience for the consumer. And I'm not located in Detroit or Chicago where I have an unlimited supply of cars. I want to make sure I do everything I can to attract customers to my facility. So it was another way for me to differentiate. So I went to my current supplier. They didn't have a belt. They didn't have any intentions of having a belt. So I looked around. ABW had a belt, went to Chicago. I did not intend to buy the equipment from ABW, but when I saw the facility and the family atmosphere and the stainless equipment, I bought everything from ABW.
How has ABW's ownership structure been important to your relationship?
A family-owned business has a different perspective than a lot of the private equity-owned car washes, and so the big thing about that is we don't have a 3 to 5 year plan where we're going to exit. We don't have an exit strategy. We're a family business. And I think that means the same thing for a vendor, in that you guys don't really have an exit strategy. You're a family business. And so you don't do things or make decisions based on a 3 to 5 year window. It just facilitates things to work with a longer view.
You've built a best-in-class operation, and you've created a best-in-class expectation from your customers. So how do you consistently deliver that?
Well, I think it's a big help when you have a relationship with your primary vendors. We want to focus on washing cars, not on equipment, not on chemicals, not things like that. And so any vendor relationship that we have that can alleviate concerns, and ABW does a great job of that. And I think that's another thing ABW brings to the table, is they know best practices. There's nowhere in the world that there's any innovation in the car wash industry that ABW has not been there and seen it, and therefore the resource that they are to me is as important as the equipment.
That's great. And I saw in some of your materials, you talk about your customers as friends and neighbors. I thought that was awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about your culture and how you roll that through your company here?
The goal in our lobbies for our flexes are to just serve. I'm not there to sell you anything. I just want to serve, and it goes back to the experience. We want to have a remarkable experience. And so it starts with our people. We want to hire people that genuinely want to serve other people. We think it shows up, and we think it's how we've been able to build our brand.
Justin, you guys are the market leader here in Little Rock. Can you tell me how you've differentiated from the other competition in town?
Yeah, absolutely. So we saw an opportunity to differentiate ourselves with offering additional services outside of the express wash model. And the services we wanted to offer, you can't fit in an express wash tunnel, so you have to have a bigger location. So we offer interior cleaning as well as oil changes. And we do that in a variety of ways, but we have big box locations where it's all under one roof, and then some where 2 of the 3 are together and one's kind of off. But all in all, just using those additional services to set ourselves apart.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your big boxes and what led you to make that investment and that decision?
Yeah, maybe we're just crazy, but I think also we just saw a really cool opportunity. So we saw two buildings. One was an old trampoline park, which was fun to go visit during the buying process. I did jump. And then the second was an old Walmart building. Really what we wanted to do was create an experience that was unlike anything else and kind of elevate the game for car care in Arkansas. And it's kind of proven itself out over time.
And part of that, you were pretty early adopters of the detail belt and full service, express full service washes.
The thing we hear a lot from customers is, this is exactly what I didn't know I needed, right? And so it was just kind of this unfelt, unsaid problem that you either have to go get a full detail somewhere and pay hundreds of dollars and leave it all day, or do it yourself at a free bag. Like, there was no middle ground, really. And so I do think it is something that our customers didn't know they needed. And once you experience it, you're like, honestly, it's pretty affordable, really convenient. And I'm in and out, and it does a great job. People are friendly. And so, I don't know, it's kind of carved out a niche of something that was never being offered in Arkansas before, and now this service is offered, and so people love it and are thrilled.
You have over 25 sites in Arkansas. Some are expresses, some are big box full service detail sites. Can you talk a little bit about your hub and spoke design and how they feed off of each other and give your customers the best experience?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've put one of these big models with the interior cleaning, oil change, and car wash stuff, and then we've kind of scattered our express washes all around, to where basically we don't have many expresses that you can't get to a big box within 20 minutes or so.
How has having the big box express interiors added to your membership sales in your entire market?
What it allows us to do is, at those express exterior tunnels, we can promote the interior services and the oil changes in the big box model. And so we do that specifically by enhancing our benefits. So if you're a wash member, unlimited wash member, you also get $30 off your oil changes, and you can add the interior cleaning for $30 at any time. And so we're able to just pump volume to the big box from the express exterior sites.
We're here in Little Rock, Arkansas at Splash's big box conversion site, where they converted a trampoline park into one of the highest performing and best in class operations in Arkansas. So with the big box flex site, Paul knew that it was going to be a high demand. So he put in 2 tunnels so that even on his busiest days, he would be able to keep up with customer expectations, keep wait times down, and deliver the high performance results he needed. Express exteriors are still the most popular option for car washing, but customers still want a clean interior. What they don't want to give up is time. The AVW detail belts allow you to deliver a clean interior in 12 minutes with 2 to 3 person teams. Having a repeatable process on a specific timeline allows your management team to really dial in what you do on every car and deliver it for every customer. Detail belts are a great way to bring your labor numbers into focus and get them on track. Splash wanted to create a best-in-class operation. And part of that, after the twin tunnels and the detail area, is interior vacuums for their express customers. So whether it's negative 20 degrees outside or 100 degrees and 85% humidity, customers have a comfortable place to come vacuum, and they're much more willing to drive past the competitors' washes to come here and get that service and that experience. We're here at Splash's second flex site in Little Rock, Arkansas. That's a converted Walmart. Let's go inside and take a look. Paul's team selected a high pressure arch and a dual 30-inch belt so that he doesn't have to prep and his cars can load automatically with very little assistance from an attendant. The 30-inch dual belt is the first piece of the equation, but you also need a tunnel that's going to meet the quality and performance beyond that. Splash includes a retractable mitter setup in all of their washes. It gives you the ability to pull it away if you've got roof racks or something that could interfere that they think is important in their market. But also, if you have somebody that's maybe not selecting your top package and you don't want to put an application on, you can pull away the retractable mitter at the end of the tunnel. When talking with Paul, one of my favorite concepts in his core values was he talks about serving friends and family, and that's how he talks about customers, and that's how he thinks about customers. So he has a children's playground here, he has an air-conditioned waiting room, and everything is just designed to be best in class for everybody that comes to his wash. He wants to be a big part of the community. Did a fantastic job with it. This site is Splash's newest ground-up build in Centerton, Arkansas. This is an express exterior site that's part of Splash's overall plan with the hub and spoke model. It offers an exterior express close to home for their customers and eventually draws members to drive to their flex sites and fulfill that best-in-class need. Thanks for checking our video out today. 10 years ago, Paul Stagg reached out to ABW looking for a dual belt conveyor. And what he ended up finding was a partner that could help him differentiate his business with tunnel quality, with stainless steel equipment, as well as detail belt conveyors so they can deliver on that hub and spoke model and perform for their customers.